Hello students, welcome to Yourpedia. I am Jitendra Tyagi. So, as you know, Yourpedia Education provide post-gate counseling facility to students to help them in getting admissions in different IITs, IIC Bengaluru and other colleges in India as well as abroad, right? So, this counseling helps students a lot in different aspects. So, now, right now, you know, in IITs there are two semesters actually about which most of the students don't know. Okay, IITs provide admissions twice in a year for their higher education programs, especially PhD program. Okay, and in some IITs they offer Master of Science MS or MS by Research program also, in which they give admissions twice in a year, right? So right now many application forms are open in different IITs and their last date to apply is coming soon nearby. Okay. So in this video I will inform you about, I will tell you about different IITs, their last date and where you can find the link to apply. Okay. So in the description of this video we have provided all the links, okay, which I will show you here, right. So let us see one by one. First of all, IIT Roorkee, okay. So in IIT Roorkee, you can apply for regular PhD admissions in different departments right now, and last date to apply is 1st of November 2024, okay. 1st नवंबर से पहले PhD में आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं और इसमें PhD में बहुत सारे अलग अलग फॉर्मेट्स हैं, जैसे गर्ल्स के लिए भी कुछ फैसिलिटी है वहाँ पे एडमिशन्स में, स्कीम चलती है वहाँ पे, ठीक है। और कई जगह विश्वेश्वर PMRF वाली जो स्कीम है, विश्वेश्वरैया स्कीम है, अलग अलग स्कीम्स होती हैं, तो उनके बारे में आप चेक कर सकते हैं, राइट। एंड लिंक यहाँ पे गिवन है, कहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा इन्फॉर्मेशन वाउचर या एप्लीकेशन लिंक, ओके। एंड सेकेंड इज IIT दिल्ली, ओके। सो इन IIT दिल्ली दे गिव एडमिशन इन MS रिसर्च, MSR program as well as PhD program, okay. And last date to apply for MS as well as PhD program in IIT Delhi is 25th of October, okay. And this is the link to apply, okay. So kindly visit the website of IIT Delhi and apply for MS research and PhD program if you are interested, okay. IIT Guwahati, that is also very popular for PhD programs. So in IIT Guwahati you can apply for PhD program right now, and last date to apply is 25th of October, okay. Before that you have to apply, and the link is given here in the description of this video. You can find the link, right. Then we have IIT Madras, so MS and PhD, okay. You can apply for MS program, which is the most popular MS program in all over India and as well as globally also. And then PhD program, okay. Last date to apply is 31st of October, and this is the link to apply. Then we have IIT Bombay. So IIT Bombay is offering PhD admissions and last date to apply is 21st of October, okay. This is the link to apply. Now we have IIT Indore. So in IIT Indore, in FA category admissions are open in PhD program in electrical department. You can apply before 16th of October, okay. And the link you can find in the website of IIT Indore. Then we have IIT Dharwad. So IIT Dharwad is offering PhD admissions right now, and the last date to apply is 10th of November, and link is given here. And then we have IIT Palakkad. So in IIT Palakkad they are providing admissions in both program MS research as well as PhD, and last date to apply is 25th of October, and link is given here, which you can find in the description of this video, okay. Then we have IIT Tirupati. So in IIT Tirupati both MS research as well as PhD admissions are open. You can apply for MS research as well as PhD. 17th of October is the last date, okay. So please be careful, today is 15th of October, so please apply before this date, okay. And then we have IIT Gandhinagar. So in IIT Gandhinagar PhD admissions last date is 17th of October. One more important point, last date in many IITs is at 5 p.m. remember, it is not 11:55 or 11:59 p.m. at night. It is 5 p.m. okay. So please be careful for that time also, okay. And then we have IIT Dhanbad. So IIT Dhanbad, you can apply for PhD throughout the year. Every month they process the application received and then they shortlist, they call for interview, okay. So right now also for the second semester they will shortlist many applications, so you kindly apply, okay, before the end of this month, right. So these are the current applications which are open for PhD program, and please keep checking for other remaining IITs also. They will also release, and we will update you about all other IITs also, right. So please you can check these details on the website of Yourpedia also, yourpedia.in, and in our videos also we provide regularly information about the admissions. So please keep watching this. And you know, for PhD, if you want to do PhD, you can do PhD after BTech also. Okay, after graduation you are eligible to do PhD. For that GATE score is required. In most of the IITs they ask for GATE score. Okay, and you can, this is called direct PhD also. Okay, and you can apply for PhD after MTech also. So if you have MTech degree already and you have good CGPA in MTech, then the GATE score is optional. Most of the IITs don't make it compulsory to have GATE score. Okay, and if you are from any CFTI, okay, CFTI, any centrally funded technical institute, or any, you are from any NIT or IIIT, okay, so there is a list of CFTIs available on the website of government. Okay, then you can simply type CFTI list in Google, you can get the list of the colleges which are CFTI. So for CFTI students, many IITs offer relaxation in admission process. Generally GATE score is waived off. Okay, if you are BTech from CFTI, then GATE is not mandatory. Okay, if you are BTech from NIT, GATE is not required, you can apply for direct PhD also. So these offers are made to many students, right? So please keep always updated yourself and get the opportunities. Direct PhD is really a good option. You can join, especially in some top IITs like IIT Guwahati, that is very popular for PhD program, very good atmosphere there for research program. Okay, and if you are planning for 400 PhD program, you can go abroad also for PhD. For that you can watch Yourpedia global videos, there you will get information about that. Okay, so again I am telling you, please, if you are eligible, if you are interested, take this opportunity, because right now in winter this is easier to take admission because number of competitors is less. ओके, विंटर में एडमिशन्स में बच्चे कम जाते हैं क्योंकि जो जिनका एडमिशन पहले नहीं हो पाता है वो, या फिर जिन्होंने कहीं ऐसी एडमिशन ले लिया जो सेटिस्फाई नहीं होते वहाँ से, वो बच्चे आते हैं. ठीक है, तो नंबर ऑफ एप्लीकेंट कम आते हैं, तो यहाँ पे इजी हो जाता है एडमिशन होना पीएचडी में और एमएस रिसर्च में. स्पेशली अगर आप आईआईटी मद्रास से एमएस करना चाहते हैं तो कितनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके सामने अभी ओपन है, आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं. लेकिन ध्यान रखना है, फॉर पीएचडी एडमिशन्स कुछ की कंपोनेंट होते हैं जिन पे आपको वर्क करना है. देखो, सबसे पहले आपका शॉर्टलिस्टिंग का प्रोसीजर जो होता है उसमें आपका सीजीपीए है, वो मैटर करता है. ठीक है ना, गेट स्कोर बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर नहीं करता, सीजीपीए है. लेकिन आपका जो एसओपी है, अगर आपकी एप्लीकेशन को वो पढ़ते हैं, कोई उनके तो उन तक पहुंचती है, मतलब जो भी वहाँ पे प्रोफेसर्स हैं, तो एसओपी इज़ द मेन पॉइंट. ओके, एसओपी को ध्यान से रीड करते हैं, वो समझने की कोशिश करते हैं, फिल्टर आउट करते हैं. ठीक है, अपने अपने उनको नीड होती है, प्रोफेसर्स नीड स्टूडेंट्स, गुड स्टूडेंट्स, तो वो मैच करते हैं कि उनके इंटरेस्ट से कौन मैच कर रहा है, किसकी एसओपी उनके इंटरेस्ट से मैच कर रही है. तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है अच्छी एसओपी लिखने में. अगर आप मतलब अच्छी एसओपी लिखते हैं तो आपकी चांस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग के. और उसके बाद फिर आपका इंटरव्यू मैटर करता है. टोटली इंटरव्यू अगर अच्छा होगा तो डेफिनेटली आपका एडमिशन हो जाएगा, इंटरव्यू अगर अच्छा नहीं होगा तो एडमिशन नहीं होता है. तो आपको दो चीज़ों पे वर्क करना है, एसओपी और इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन. ओके, इंटरव्यू के लिए आपको रिहर्सल करनी है, बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज लगाने हैं. ओके, सो विंटर एडमिशन्स के लिए पोस्ट गेट काउंसलिंग ओपन है. जो भी बच्चे इंटरेस्टेड है वो योरपीडिया एग्जीक्यूटिव से कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ऑल द बेस्ट.